The DJI Mini 5 Pro is generating a lot of excitement ahead of its official release, and with that buzz comes leaked accessory pricing that is beginning to paint a clearer picture of what buyers can expect. Thanks to sources like Jasper Ellens, early insights into the accessory ecosystem for the Mini 5 Pro have started to surface, offering enthusiasts a chance to evaluate potential costs before the drone even hits shelves. While the official prices of the Mini 5 Pro and its bundles haven't been confirmed yet, the leaks reveal notable trends and shifts compared to the previous Mini 4 Pro, giving us a sense of DJI's strategic approach to the product support ecosystem. Much like its predecessor, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be offered in two main bundles: the Standard Combo and the Fly More Combo, which includes the RC2 controller. Though the leaked information doesn't specify the full retail cost of these bundles, it does focus heavily on individual accessories, which are key for those who want to customize or extend their drone's capabilities. Interestingly, these leaks suggest that DJI is taking a nuanced approach to pricing, lowering costs on some essentials while increasing others. This approach could indicate that DJI wants users to prioritize certain upgrades, particularly those that enhance flight performance and versatility, over consumable replacements like propellers. Perhaps the most eye-catching changes are in the battery pricing. Flight time has always been a critical selling point for DJI's compact drones, and the leaks indicate that the Mini 5 Pro's batteries could represent a significant improvement in affordability. The standard intelligent flight battery, which previously retailed for $99 on the Mini 4 Pro, is reported to drop to $69, a nearly 30% reduction. For budget-conscious drone enthusiasts, this is a substantial saving, making spare or replacement batteries much more accessible. The Plus battery, which offers extended flight duration, is also cheaper, falling from $145 to $99. However, it's important to note that this battery pushes the drone's weight beyond the 249-gram regulatory limit in many countries. While this may not matter for casual or indoor flights, anyone flying in regions with strict drone weight regulations should take note. Nevertheless, the lower cost for both standard and Plus batteries makes it much easier for users to consider upgrading their flight time without breaking the bank. Other standard accessories, like charging hubs and ND filters, also see minor adjustments. The charging hub is expected to retail around $49, while filter sets are around $55. However, there's an interesting twist with the ND filters. The Mini 5 Pro kit includes ND8, ND32, and ND128 filters compared to the Mini 4 Pro, which featured ND16, ND64, and ND256. This means the Mini 5 Pro offers a different range of light reduction, likely optimized for the new camera and dual camera system rumored for the drone. While not a huge price difference, it's a meaningful change for photographers and videographers who rely on precise exposure control for their aerial footage. On the flip side, some consumables like propellers and guards are seeing price increases. Propellers for the Mini 5 Pro are rumored to cost $19 each, up from $9 on the Mini 4 Pro. This jump could be due to several factors. Perhaps DJI has upgraded materials for durability or implemented a new quick-release system for faster swaps in the field. Either way, these enhancements come at a cost. Propeller guards also see a price increase, from $29 on the Mini 4 Pro to $69 for the Mini 5 Pro. However, the higher cost may be justified, as the guard package reportedly includes both the protective frame and the propellers themselves. While pricier, this integrated approach could simplify replacement and ensure that users always have the right components on hand. Care Refresh coverage is another accessory where some notable changes are apparent. The one-year coverage plan seems to maintain a similar cost to previous iterations, while the two-year plan for the Mini 5 Pro actually appears cheaper than what was available for the Mini 4 Pro. This could be a strategic decision by DJI, possibly aimed at encouraging longer-term protection and easier upgrades for users investing in the new platform. While pricing may vary depending on retailers, the apparent shift suggests DJI is trying to make the transition from older models to the Mini 5 Pro more appealing. In general, these leaked prices indicate that DJI is shifting the cost structure of its accessories. Consumables and replacement parts like propellers and guards are now more expensive, potentially to offset improvements in other areas or account for enhanced design and materials. Conversely, larger, more impactful items, batteries, charging hubs, and flight time upgrades are more affordable, signaling that DJI wants users to invest in extending flight performance rather than skimping on durability or safety features. For the consumer, this strategy could encourage a more deliberate and thoughtful approach to accessorizing their Mini 5 Pro, focusing on enhancements that truly improve the flying experience. In conclusion, the leaked accessory prices for the DJI Mini 5 Pro reveal a thoughtful balance of savings and trade-offs. Batteries and flight time upgrades are now more affordable, making it easier for pilots to extend flight sessions without financial strain. At the same time, replacement propellers and guards have increased in price, likely reflecting improvements in materials, design, or convenience. ND filters offer a slightly different range, optimized for the new drone's camera system, while Care Refresh coverage shows potential cost benefits for longer-term protection. Overall, DJI appears to be strategically shaping the Mini 5 Pro ecosystem to encourage investment in performance and essential upgrades while maintaining user-friendly options for everyday drone enthusiasts. Although these leaks provide valuable insights, final pricing and specifications will ultimately depend on DJI's official announcements. Nevertheless, the trends suggest a thoughtful, user-centric approach that balances performance, durability, and affordability. Drone enthusiasts, content creators, and prospective buyers can use this early information to plan their upgrades, understand cost implications, and anticipate the workflow improvements that the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver. With batteries more affordable, propellers and guards more robust, and filters tailored for the new imaging system, the Mini 5 Pro looks poised to offer a compelling combination of flexibility, durability, and usability. For creators focused on maximizing flight time, safety, and image quality, these leaks indicate that DJI has made deliberate choices to enhance the drone's value proposition. While nothing is finalized, the accessory pricing hints at a thoughtful strategy aimed at keeping users engaged and empowered, making the Mini 5 Pro an exciting and practical addition to the DJI lineup.